Hello, and welcome back to the Digital Fix Pro. As today we're going to talk about ChatGPT. Now, I've heard a lot of people complain that they do not like the new ChatGPT 5 and want to go back to the old one, but they don't know how to do it. So that's why I'm here to bring you what I found that gets you back to the ChatGPT 4.0. To do this, all you do is log into ChatGPT, go down to your name, click on it, go to settings, and toggle this button. It's normally off, but if you toggle it on and then click anywhere else, if you come up to ChatGPT 5, you can go to the legacy mode and go back to 4.0. So there you have it. Simple, easy ChatGPT steps that you can learn. So hang out with Digital Fix Pro as we will fix all your digital needs to get you on the right track. If you want to hang around, check with me next week as I'll have a new video for you.